Hello. I was just thinking, why is sequencing so important? Let us take this example of how to make rice. First, I've kept a cooker on the gas. I keep the vessel with the rice inside the cooker. I pour some water randomly to the rice. But oh, I have forgotten to wash the rice. It's okay. So I move ahead and close the lid of the cooker and wait till the rice is done. But even after 1 hour of waiting, the rice is not cooked at all. Oh no, that didn't work because we didn't do it in the correct order. If I had known the order, then this is what would have happened. First, we wash the rice 2 times under clean water. Then, we put some water for the rice to cook. We will then keep the cooker on the stove and place the vessel with the rice and water inside the cooker. Next, we close the lid of the cooker, put the whistle on, and switch on the flame. After 3 whistles, our rice is now cooked properly and is ready. So, now tell me, how can we sequence the steps properly if we have to cook something? Firstly, if we don't know the recipe of the dish, we can ask someone who knows it. While they are telling the recipe, remember to write it down. So, if we are making rice, then this is how we can write the steps. First, wash the rice 2 times. Then, switch on the flame and keep the cooker. Next, pour some water to the washed rice, keep it in the cooker and close the lid. After that, wait till the whistle blows 3 times. Then, switch off the gas and wait till the pressure goes off. Finally, open the lid carefully and the rice is ready. After we have the recipe in hand, we can then start cooking. But why should we write the recipe? Just so that we know the steps properly and better. We can even keep a record of many recipes in one book. Thank you. Bye.